Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic HTML for beginners. HTML introduction. So it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web pages and web applications. The text editors used in HTML are Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Vim, etc. So HTML file, it is a text file format. So it is used to create a HTML file. So we can use any editors for it. As I told you earlier, the various types of text editors. HTML building blocks. So there are two building blocks, tags and the attribute tag. So HTML tags are like the keywords which defines that the web browser will understand the HTML tags and it will format it and then display the content given by the user in the editor. So with the help of tags, a web browser can distinguish between the HTML content and the simple contents. HTML tags contains three main parts like opening tag, content and the closing tag. So but some HTML tags, they are unclosed. For example, the BR tag, that is the break line, and the HR tag, that is horizontal tag. So they are unclosed tags. An HTML file must have some essential tags so that the web browser can differentiate between the simple text and the HTML text. So by having some essential tags, the web browser understands the simple tag and the HTML tags, that is the simple text and the HTML text. All HTML tags that must be enclosed within the angle bracket. So the bracket is given. Every tag in HTML performs the different tasks. So if you have used an open tag, then you must have a closing tag with a slash symbol. Syntax and examples. Here are the syntax, that is the tag, then the content which the user is going to give, and then the tag is closed with the slash symbol. Example. So the tag is used, bold tag is used here, and the tag is also closed with the slash symbol. So the content given is bold, then the paragraph tag is used and the content given is paragraph, and then at the end the paragraph tag is closed with the slash symbol. Then the heading tag H2 is given and the tag is closed with the slash symbol and the content given is heading. HTML attributes. An attribute that is used to provide extra or an additional information about the element is called HTML attribute. So it takes two parameters, a name and a value. So syntax, the element, the attribute name, then the attribute value. So let's see example in that we can understand what is HTML attribute. So paragraph tag is used and the style is the attribute name and the attribute value is the height 10 pixel and the color, that is black. So it will add style in the element. At the end the paragraph tag is closed with the slash symbol. Then HTML element. The HTML element is everything from starting tag to the end tag. So the tag name, then some content, then the tag name is closed with the slash symbol. So example, H1 tag is used and the tag is closed at the end and the content is, this is an heading tag. So you can see in this example, everything is used from start tag to the end tag. HTML formatting. HTML formatting, it is a process of formatting text like bold, italic, underline, strong. So these tags are used to make the text bold, italic or underlined. There are many formatting tags in HTML like B tag, that is bold text, strong, that is strong text. So strong is nothing but it ensures that the text is an important one. I tag, that is italic, that makes the text in the form of italic. Small tag. So in HTML, small texts are also used. INS tag, that is insert text. We can insert text in a document. So mark, so that shows that text are marked or highlighted, that shows it is an important line or a important text. So del tag, that are deleted from text. It shows the text that are deleted. Subtag, that is subscript. So that shows the subscript text appears half a character below the normal line. For example, you can see H2O. Then SUP tag, that is superscript. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line. For example, you can see www and the one inside the bracket. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.